me just quickly get in some BTST trades before we wind down for the day. Naresh, what's on your list?
So first is the Warren Oberoi Realty, a breakout trade here. Stop loss at 1390, target price of 1450. Second is the Bhavan Tata Steel showing the latest strength and momentum. Stop loss at 148, target price of 155.
Kunal, what about your BTST ideas?
So I'll go with Jindal Steel as the first stock. Very interesting chart on the short-term basis. A swing breakout on the hourly charts as well as a breakout above that 800 levels. Puts a buy with a target of 880. Stop loss remains at 770. And second would be Aban Power Grid. This could be a very strong V-shaped recovery for the stock. Very rarely seen for the stock. But I believe that the stock is showing all of those classical signs of a breakout. Would suggest a buy with 285 as a target. Stop loss at 265.
Okay, let's wind up for the day and let me hand it over to Vinny for the closing trades. Vinny?
So absolutely not ending on a bad note today when you look at it for the Nifty. 22,000 is what it's managing to hold on to. 0.8%, 0.9% of gain off the day, slightly off the day's highest point. Let's look at what the Nifty Bank also did. Nifty Bank also saw good gains as well. Nifty Bank holding on to 0.8% in gain. And we saw all these private banks, PSU banks, all of them buzzing away in trade. HDFC Bank also in terms of a contributor to the Nifty also saw good gains. Nifty mid-cap and small-cap, the broader markets, that's where we saw most of the action happening today. Look at the buzz that is coming away, closing at the day's highest point. For the Nifty mid-cap up to 2.5%, small-cap 2 up 2.5% in trade as well. Advance decline ratio clearly today is in the favor of advances versus decline. When you look at it in terms of what Nifty Realty did, that was a top sectoral gainer today. So pull up the charts of Godrej Properties, DLF, Prestige Estates, all of them, Brigade Enterprises, all of them buzzing away in trade. DLF also closing at almost the day's highest point. Similarly for Godrej Properties as well, strong gains that we are seeing. PSU as a pack today, we have seen a buzz coming in around for PSUs. So whether you look at PSU banks or overall even other PSU names like even the defense names, they all are doing well. Steel, Tata Steel, SAIL, NALCO, Hindalco, all these names also buzzing away in trade in terms of the metal pack as well. So yes, metals as a pack overall also saw a nice buzz over there. Let's pull up some of these other charts as well that one could watch out for today. In trade would be Zomato. That's seeing strong gains. Nykaa, so the new age tech companies also saw a very good traction coming in. eMudhra, surprisingly a smaller company, a mid-small cap name, but surely saw a very strong move today as well on the back of that. The recent listing, today's listing we talk about, Crystal, that's a muted listing that came in, closing the first day on a muted note as well. Nothing exciting that could be happening in Crystal as well. So yes, that's how as of now we're seeing in terms of the markets. Let's look at some of these other movers that we saw in the small cap side. So yes, gains came in from BSC, IRB as well as Intellect Design and Incorpor as well, which saw a buzz as well. So yes, keeping an eye out on all of these stocks today, but ending on a good note at least.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.